I will show you how to install Tinnitometer V2. First, you launch the installation, you download. Say yes. You can ask for English. Say okay. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Install. Next. I have to ignore because I already have an install before. Don't worry about that. Here we are. So we did finish this install and we can begin. So we need to install the license, but before we have to answer to a few questions about English or what language you want, and the GDPR you must agree. After that, you need to install the license we sent you. The browse that the hard disk to find Tinnitometer license. So I browse it, and you see here on the document for me, but for you perhaps on the key, on a USB key, doesn't matter. So you say I want these, and you have to answer to the red question. Tinnitus Lab, for example. You can browse to have on document, perhaps I have something. I don't see if I have an object like that. Anyway, I think I have something like that. Yeah, logo. So you have a logo here. Then you put your address, and each time you use it, the red become black. This is important because all this information will be on the report at the when you make a print of the exam. Here we are. So you have to make the choice with an audiometer or without. We are using with, but you must have an audiometer with line in. In that case, we choose the transducer and, for example, the acoustic and the new one. At that moment, it gives you the information about the way to use the line in. So it gives you the type of cable you need, and you have just to plug in a line in and the line out into your computer. It's exactly the same for another one. Actually, it's not the same if it's an Affinity old version. Okay, after that, you send the information to the server and it gives you back the right to go to your evaluation version. And that's it. You can begin to run and it's work. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.